So your first question is you have to create an e-commerce website under 30 minutes. So what you have to show is basically you can use Google and find any random APIs which show the products on the home page, and there should be one button known as like add to cart button on each item. So once you add to item, that item should be added to the cart, and there should be one cart page where it will show all the items that it added to cart, plus it show the final price of the your shopping cart. Also there should be one button which will be there should be one buttons to remove item from the cart. So you have to create this basic e-commerce website. You can use the Google and just try it out.
Yeah, okay, I got it. So to use a website store API, so I can take this fake store API to use in my e-commerce. So I can 5 to create a product page,
And a cart page.
cart page,
Yeah.
and the functionality is add to cart and remove.
And the final
Uh,
price.
okay. Okay, so I can
Also,
like
you have to use the React router to show it on your different pages. So product page should be the our home page, and the cart page should be our slash cart.
okay. So I can use React router. Okay, so first of all, to create a component, let's check. And second one will be the cart page. So in the app component, I can use the React code.
One advice that I want to give you: whenever you are doing anything, just make sure you keep telling what you are doing. So that interview can understand what's your thought process and what you really want to do.
Okay, fine. So I have created a route for the home page card and the cart for the cart page. So let's check is it working or not. So home page and the cart. So yeah, it's working for the home page and the cart page. So in the home page, here here in this page, I will fetch the products from the fake store API. So what I can do here is use the fake store API to fetch the products. So to fetch the products, I will use the use effect to fetch the products. I create a function. I will create a function to fetch the products. So try and catch block I will use. Uh, First of all, I have to create a state to store the product. Okay. So in the fetch product, I will fetch the product by using a fetch method from the JavaScript. Wait,
What is this async and await?
async and await is it is a way to write a promise to avoid a callback head. So it is an alternative for the then and catch method. Wait, it's dot. So in the fetch products, I will pass the URL. The URL is here is the URL.
And what is this use effect?
Use effect it is a hook that provided by ReactJS to perform the side effects like fetching data from the remote server API. That's what I'm here doing. Uh, so I
And
pass the yes.
what all are the features of use effect?
Features of the use effect is it is a use effect that accept first that accept two parameters. First one is the callback function, and second one is the dependency array list. So and use effect also sometimes accept we can use the return method to clean up the function. So whenever the component mount, this use effect will run. Here I am
Mount,
pausing the empty dependency array list. So it will run only one time when the component mount.
yeah. And what is this mounting? What is this mount and unmount?
Mounting is creating a web page in the dome, real dome.
Mm, no.
Creating a web page in dome, real dome.
Okay. And what is unmounting?
Mounting is remove the component from the web page. No,
Um, okay. So it is for the web page or for the component?
sorry.
It is for the web page or it's for only for the component?
Only for the component. Mounting is like updating the loading the component on the real DOM.
Okay. So yeah, you can. Continue the work.
So I will use the loading state the false. I'm here using the loading state to when the use effect run, then this component will mount. Then this fetch products function will invoke. So I will use the set loading to be true. Okay. Wait. Yes, dot JSON. Any error happen on the while fetching data from the remote, then we can catch this error. Check so yeah, product fetched successfully. So when product fetched successfully, I will set the set loading to be false. So yeah, data is fetched successfully. Now to set set products data. If I okay, so yeah, data fetched successfully. So now what I can do here,
You have to show the image, the title, the category, and the price. These are the four main things that you have to show. And just see, yeah. So you have the description, ID, image, price, and
okay.
okay, and count, try. Yeah.
So I have to show I have to display means price, title,
And
right?
category. And category.
And so I will use the map function method to display all the products that I am getting from the API.
Sure.
Dot map product. I will return it. So so in the single product I am getting category. So I will
Hmm.
destructuring here.
Okay. So what is this destructuring?
Destructuring is like let's say I've got a object from product, so I can use destructure the property. It's like a get a property from the product object.
Okay.
Price, title. So let's check if I am getting image or not. Shall okay. Yes, I am getting. To take also ID and pass the ID as a key prop so that React remember which things have been deleted, removed. It helps to perform the optimization. Okay. So means source image is not defined. So
It is
image
IMAG.
IMAGE.
GE, not IMG.
So I got there.
Class name is already there.
So yeah, for the image, so I have to display a title and the price. Why is it not displaying? Okay, okay. Some product have title and some products. Give a little bit extra. Okay, okay.
You have to show, I would say, three or four products in single row.
It's the end. So we can use the grid class. We call two products, right? Three.
Yes.
So here I got the product title and the
Hmm.
product price, and the left thing is a category. So I
Yeah.
can use.
And one more thing that you have to do is write the price unit. Is it in the dollar or in the rupees? And yeah,
Okay, okay,
also change the category colors to something like green or anything else, so that it look different from the title. Just yeah, make sure to just change the text color. You don't need to do a background color.
okay, okay. So
Also, give every this article some border or some margin so that we can see the individual card.
yes, So yeah, is the title, and so I have to also display the price currency symbol to display the currency symbol. Yeah,
Okay.
so successfully displayed the product. So now I have to create a button for the add to cart, right?
Yeah.
So here is the button for the add to cart. Yeah, here's the product. So I will create a function. When I click on this add to cart, the product should be stored in my cart. So what I can do here, create a function. I will so I have to also delete the product from the cart, right?
Add to cart should be from the home page, and delete delete item or delete the number of items should be on the cart page. But here it should be only the add to cart, and it should not be simple add to cart. It should be the number of item you want. You maybe want one, two, three number of
Oh,
items. So yeah, that should also be implemented.
okay. So I will create a state for the cart. In this state, I will store the product. So we create a function. When I click on this add to cart button, then the add to cart function will be invoked. So so here I am passing the add to cart. Check it is printing or not. Yes, it's working. So what I can do here, when I click on this add to cart button, I will pass the product ID.
Hmm.
Pass the product ID. Yes, category,
You can check
and
out this fake store API documentation as well, how to pass and what all are the details that you have to pass to the cart. There should be some
here
slash cart button also. Yeah, see,
to get single card.
you can scroll down and scroll up and read it. Like there should be some option of showing out cart.
Add new product. Add a new product. User update. Delete a card. Update a card. Add new card. Cards.
Okay, so basically, I feel um, right now we don't need like get user card because that will be like there can be multiple user, but for now we are creating it for single user. So yeah, you can go ahead with that approach.
So I
So yeah,
can,
yeah, continue
yes,
with what you are doing.
okay, okay. So, ID, image category, the price, and the title.
Hmm. And for now, your first focus would be on the early functionality, not on the design. So just make sure you complete it within the time.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
ID category, image, title. Let's see if I'm getting or not. So,
Wait. Um. Wait. There is some background noise like एक बार बैकग्राउंड नॉइस को देख लो यार बंद कर सकते हो तो लाइक गेट फिट लगा दो क्या पता बैकग्राउंड नॉइस कम हो जाए.
okay. So,
I guess this is the background noise from the laptop.
no, I think,
चलो now it's fine. Um. Okay. So console dot add undefined, and undefined.
defined is home is 25, 24. So,
So that is a function, not a component. You
sorry.
destructure. So that add to cart is a function, not a component. You do destructuring, props destructuring in the component.
Yes. Okay, okay, okay.
And one more thing, on the home page, on the product page, there should be some button or something like that. On clicking that, you should go to the add to cart.
On the home page.
There should be a button like checkout cart, something like that.
Okay. should be a link. Import a use the I have to use the link a component that provided by React router though.
Yeah,
So card to okay. So this
yeah.
is the card. So here I can pass a single item to when what I can do here. When I click on the card add to cart button, there should be a cart state
So
here.
yeah, so here you have to maintain your card state.
Yes, yes. Cart. So here I'm getting a cart state. Will import the cart. I have to pass the products to the cart state. So
So basically, ideally, what you should do is when you click on this add to cart button of the products, so it should add that item into your cart array. And then when you goes to the cart, so there should be this cart array item should be visible there. So it's like that simple.
pressing when I click on this add to cart button, then it should store in a cart state.
Yep. This item, like this can be an object, and that object should be stored in the array with the number of quantity. And as I again mentioned, this add to cart button is should not be simple add to cart button. It should be add to cart with number of quantities. Like you can plus minus thing.
Okay, okay. Let's add to cart.
You can do thing one by one also. Like first of all, just implement this add to cart. You can think about this plus minus number of quantity later on.
Yes, yes. I'm just thinking to pass the product, single product. So what I can do here? Can you give me a little bit of hint?
Yeah, sure. Basically, what you have to do is whenever you click on this add to cart button, you go to this add to cart function, and on this add to cart function, you manage one state known as cart, and that cart you will add an object which will be which contain the ID, which contain the price quantity or the price whatever the item price, and then you just have to send this cart as a props to this cart page, or you can use the queries to send on the cart page. I hope you know how to send the data from one page to another page.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
So, okay, I got it. Item, art.
Is it the way how you add the item in the array?
But sorry.
Is it the way of adding an item in the array? Are you sure this line number 26 is right?
Uh, yes, I think
Basically,
so.
it should
This
contain the
is
array. It is not an array, just
uh,
console it. It is the items. You just destructure it.
sorry, I did not get it.
Just console log whatever you are setting. Just console log that thing. You will get what you are doing. You have to console whatever you are writing in line number 26. That is triple dot cart comma new item, and that is a spread operator triple dot. So yeah. See,
Obviously, not a trigger. Okay. So,
are you understand what you are getting? Like,
no, no, no. I want to get
see,
a single product.
see, you are getting an individual objects. So there are so many objects, but you want to
Yes.
get an array. So for that, what you should do is goes to line number 27, and before this triple like spread operator, you have to write this scare bracket and put after new
Okay.
item, just press the close scare bracket. Now see, this is the array.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay,
Okay.
and this is the first item, it's the new item that you are adding. Now add few more items and see.
But I'm not getting a single light.
Because you are setting the cart. Again, this should be like you should also do this in the line number 26.
Okay.
Now you can remove the line number 27. And yeah,
But I'm putting the whole product. I want to
um,
add a single product. So uh, for that to first, if I'm getting ID, yes, I'm getting ID. So like that.
you are adding the single
Okay.
product only, but the function you see the ID. Just check out the ID. You will get the answer of the cart. These 26 are the same product that you have added 26 times.
On the line 26,
Not on the line 26, just check out the console and read what you are doing. You have added the same product 26 times. Check out the console, not on the VS Code. So I think if you just reload it, it will work fine.
uh, should I have to, or
Okay, so let me just goes to where did you call this add to cart function, and
yes,
you did
yes.
a blunder mistake.
Okay, okay. I'm here. Happening. Okay. But February, and then price, next, next. Yeah.
What was the wrong there? Like what went wrong?
Uh, Here I was before I was passing directly add to cart function. So whenever the components load, this function was creating again.
Again, could you
So
please repeat yourself? Like what did you say? If you
uh,
don't write just if you ignore this what do you say this arrow function and write it directly your name, then what will happen?
it will, if I remove the arrow function and I will pass direct add to function. It's a it's a function. Now it's become a function. So whenever I will click the add to cart button, this function will execute again, again and again. So that's why we have to
It will
call
call only on the click, or it will call every single time this function is rendered?
every time the component mount. This
Yeah,
function will be called
yeah.
when
So
yes,
before you click any add to cart button, all this 26 item was added to the cart. So that's the
yes.
reason. Cool.
Uh,
I think now it's
so
worked perfectly fine. Just add two or three items to your cart.
So yeah, I am getting two items, three items, and three items. Now I have to pass this card.
To another page.
Yes, to
Yeah. Just do this simple thing and you're good to go.
the card page. I have to display a page.
You have already created card now.
See, I have already created a card page for this. Okay, so now I have to import the card component.
Why do you need to import the card component onto the home page?
See here, I have created a card state, so I need to pass this card to this card page. So what I can do here is
Yeah. Tao.
uh, that's why I imported a card. So here I can pass uh, what I'm doing wrong here.
Is there any other way of doing this? Just let me know if you can do in
One
this way only.
one another way is to pass direct data from here link. So I'm just forgetting how to
You
pass
can use
data.
the Google. There is no problem. I already said before the interview, like you can use the Google.
The auto send click props. So okay, it and data.
Take your time and read the documentation first. How they are doing. Just read this.
It's a
Yeah.
proxy state from a link. We need to use the user location API to accept props or properties that we received by link. Okay, use location.
Do you know about the
Okay.
use location hooks?
What? Sorry.
Do you know about the use location hook?
Use location hook to get the no idea. Don't know about use location.
Okay, so you have to use the use location hook for getting the data from this state through the location you are getting. So just yeah,
use location. Uh, so
Remove the props. You don't need a props. First of all, see how they are passing the state to the link. Are they passing the object? Are they passing? What are they passing?
they are passing dashboard data object. So
So you can pass only the object. You can't pass anything. You can't pass anything other than the object. So how you will pass this as an object?
so here I have passed the card. So by not getting. Is it right or wrong?
Yeah, right. Absolutely right.
But I'm not getting here.
So you have to do cart, something like that. That should be work perfectly fine. And one more thing that you have to do is first of all go to the home page.
Okay.
Yeah. So you are passing the object.
Yes.
Sure. So just try to console it what you are passing. So first of all, go to your cart and console what you are getting from the use location. You will get the idea. Haha, it is not the way. You have to invoke the function now. Okay, here you go.
Path name key and search and getting a state
See the
card.
state.
Um,
You are getting the state correctly. Absolutely fine. There is no
I
problem with
am
the
getting
state.
the state in the state. Okay. All on.
Got it. You are getting the cart value. So try back. Just go to home page and add few items to the cart and come back. Add few items.
Card becomes empty.
Check out why it's so.
So I've added a product, single product. So whenever I go to there is a product, single product. Okay.
Use location should be invoked.
Finally, I have to get the card, so I have to display. So image is a string. There is no URL for the single product image.
So for now, what you can do is
You can display a dummy image instead of
you don't even need to
or
show the image. Just show the title and just show the price. Just show the title and price.
okay. Here is the title and here is the category. So title for titles and the price. So yeah, I cannot display the title,
But
image and category. So yeah,
so
cannot
yeah,
display the category because it is a URL. So here is the
so you are displaying the title and the price. Okay,
and
that's
the price. The price.
okay, but that's enough. Now, what show the total price? Just show the total price.
Okay, so I have to display a total price. So
And first of all, check out why this image is not showing. If you are getting the image URL, then why it's not showing?
I was getting image URL category.
Okay, so
Okay, 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 okay.
you are passing it wrong now.
I am passing it wrong.
You see, the category is the image. Like the category is the image, and the image is the category. See the console. You swap it.
Okay. Yes, yes. But ID and title, category, image, product.
Just swap the
I have
category and
to.
the image.
Sorry.
Swap category and image on the on click. Line number 61.
Mhm.
You have to swap. You want
But
like you have to so just write what I am saying. You have to write ID, then you have to write the titles, then you have to write the image, then you have to write the price, and then the category,
first is the ID, then
the title, then the image and the price and the category.
then the image and category.
Before
And
category, it should be price. Just confirm it with the add to cart function above. Add to cart function.
the category, image, price, title. If it, but I've never done this before. It should be passed serially.
So first of all, show me the add to cart function.
Where is the add to cart function?
See,
Oh,
you have to show it in this way only. Just copy paste this. Just
okay.
copy all the argument of the function and paste it here. And paste it to the cart. Goes to cart component and paste it here as well. Yeah. Now confirm here if it's good.
ID, category, ID, image, price,
Okay.
and title.
Everything is good.
Okay.
Just check out the cart. It's also good. Okay, just show the image here. Right image. You're getting everything.
Image,
So
title, and
whenever you
category.
do the this object destructuring, you have to follow the serial.
Okay. But
If you're not doing otherwise, I would highly suggest don't do this object destructuring. Directly write item.id, item.image. Okay. So now just for the final price, it's not like that. And this dollar should be outside this. Yeah. And remove this green thing. I don't want to see the green. Now just show the final price. This is now all you have to do right now. You don't need to work on the design, just show the final price.
So the final price would be up to,
How you will show the total price? What's your planning for that?
I will show this to add the product price. For that, I will take a single product price. Price I am getting from here. So we'll create a function for this.
Okay, just create it.
Price here. So what I can do here, price, price I'm getting.
What is this price?
The price is this price is single product price.
And how you are getting the single product price? Let's say there are 10 items in the cart, and how you will find the total price? First of all, just go back to your home page and add 5 to 6 items.
Why is it not loading? Because I'm
Check out the network section why it's not loading. Because it's loaded. Cart is showing, but the image is not showing. So check out the
product is
network.
not network is fine. Everything is fine. What is empty?
Do you know about the network section of the console?
Yes, here is net.
See the response. Why it's not getting the response? See the header. See what's the problem.
Pending. Showing the pending.
Do one thing.
Why?
Start the VS Code again. Start the server again. So add to cart. Click at least 5 to 6 items. Okay. Now you have added 6 items. Now find the price, total price.
The total price. So let's say we have some products.
How you will find the total price? First of all, just let me know how you will find the total
Uh,
price.
there is a function method called
Don't write
reduce.
anything. Just tell me how you will do that.
There is a reduce function method. With the help of reduce method, we can find the total price of the card product price.
Okay, try it out.
Okay, so there is a total price function. Reduce method I will apply on the single page part.
So basically, what you have to do, you have to check out state.card. And on that, this is the array. And on that array, you have to just use any for loop, map, reduce, whatever you want to do. And on this
Okay.
state.card array, you have to find, or you have to like add, let's say, have another state known as price, and you have to set that price.
Part 14. I can also use the map method, right?
Use anything, just show the total price.
Mm.
You can use Google, you can use anything, just show how things work. You didn't read it, the stack overflow answer. The answer was there. If you scroll down, you will find the function of total card. And here, it's a simple function. This is
There is a function
basic.
counter card.
This is a
Total
basic thing
count
that you
is
have to do. Very basic thing that you have to do. This four line of code. Right? State dot card. You have to call that function and you have to show the total price. Call the function and show the console it or show it on the screen. Um, Now show it like final price.
Can store in a state, right?
Do you need any state for that?
No, but
What happen if you directly call the function after the total price?
the function will call again and again. So yeah, I can pass here. Uh,
Now go back to your cart. First complete it. Okay, scroll down and see if it's showing the price. Yeah. So
yes,
now
it's
go back to
showing.
home page. Go back to home page. Add an item. Add any item. Again add this item. Again add the same item. What's happened here? Goes to cart. Go to cart. Come back. Come back to home page. Come back to home page. Add a cart. Add any items to the cart. Go back to your cart. What's happened? This cart value should not be gone now. You should have the cart value. So why it's not showing? Why it's become empty every single time when you go to the home page?
Okay, so when I go to the home page, then the price becomes say if I add another card, one, two, three, so 188, and again home, the card become empty after.
How you will fix this?
I can fix this by using local storage.
Or is okay, just check out. Is there any other way of doing this?
Okay, so
The problem should be on the home page, not on the cart page. Because when you go to the home page, this cart become empty.
yeah, yes, the card becomes empty. So for that, one of the solution can be set the local storage, and the other can be
First of all, what's the reason behind that and why it's happening?
when I go to the home page, then again this huge effect is falling.
Which use effect?
This this huge effect. fetch products function is calling again.
And there is no need of like here you see on this fetch products function there is no set cart or thing. So what is the issue with that? Why it's not sustain its cart value? How you can fix that?
It's that I can pass a empty dependency card.
Okay, so you can do one thing. You can do one thing. You can take this as
But
a home take assignment, okay, and try to finish it in the next 1 hour. So here are the few things that you have to do. So the very first thing that you have to do is you have to add to cart on this home page, and there should be the number of quantity like +1 -1 button should be there, and yeah. And second thing will be second thing will be when you goes to the cart page, there should be the again the number of quantity like +1 -1 uh, after each an item. Okay, and then you should show the total price. And when you goes to the home page from the cart page, so the cart should be stable. Like it should not be all the cart become empty. So make sure that should not happen. And so these are the things that you have to do. Once you have completed, make sure to ping me in within an hour. And yeah, this is what you have to do.
hello.
Hello.
Yes, yes,
Did you listen everything what I have said?
yes, yes, yes.
Okay. And if I talk about the feedback, so the very first thing is you should be communicate very well. You should communicate. As of now, I can understand you just start writing the code and not telling interviewer what you are trying to do, what is your thought process. So if that will the case, so interview will never understand what you are trying to do, what how you are trying to do. The very first thing,
Okay.
you don't have to write code. You don't have to write code. You have to ask like this is my approach. This is how I will do, and then you have to do. So first is tell the approach and then code. Tell the approach then code, because when you are telling the approach, interview may ask, can we have the better approach, or interview may suggest few more hint. Okay, so that
Hello.
should be the first thing. And now talking about your like knowledge. So for the tech knowledge, I feel like you can do the things, but you should use the Google better way. So if you are typing the error, or if you are searching on the Google, you should read about just give at least 2 to 3 minutes to that page. I see 2 to 3 times you go to the right page, but before reading the entire page or before reading the answer, you come back. So that should not be happen. Like you are not going to check the 5 6 link, and then you will find okay, the first link that I go that have the answer. So your googling skills should be better. And the third thing is like make sure your debugging skills should be improved. Improve your debugging skills. And the final thing is focus on your fundamental. You see, you had a very basic error on the array function, so this should not
Hello.
be happen. Okay, on the arrow function and the like use effect things, so this should not be happen. So focus on the fundamental as well. So yeah, these are my five feedback for you. And Resh, you are very good with the practical thing. Like if I talk about that, and you are also good with the design as well. But yeah, this is all for this mock interview. If you have any doubt or anything, you can ping me after 1 hour once you complete this. Sure.